Big up everybody in the chat. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now Ninja Man get some good news. And Lisa Hype back from being medicated. Run out back on Vybz Kartel again with a new subliminal song. Of course, I'm going to hear what Lisa Hype have to say. But first, I'm going to know what I'm going with Ninja Man. Now, they said that Ninja Man is being seen as a reformed Jamaican who has been incarcerated. Recently, we asked the people, should Ninja Man be given a second chance? But what hear most people are saying is that Ninja Man is human and he should be given a second chance. Most Jamaicans learn through trial and error, learn from life lessons. And they must say, while behind the bars, Ninja Man has been a model inmate. Meaning say, while behind the bars, we not hear Ninja Man involved in any scuffle with any other inmate. We not seen a video, a surface, a circle on social media with Ninja Man and nobody are getting into it. We also not hear the authorities who are responsible for correctional facilities. I say them find Ninja Man with no contraband. Differently from that one time, they would see Ninja Man with a big TV, one of the biggest TVs we'd see during that time. I try going to prison. Differently from that, and I transfer him from one prison to one next prison, and in that carrying belongings. Them even allow him to carry it from the prison when they there. So I just see people in the seat, and the media was surprised at the size of the TV. But other than that, we have never heard of Ninja Man and no contraband. So Ninja Man has been behind the bars. I do him time. Them say Ninja Man is also what we can consider as an elder statesman in a dancehall music. Somebody who can be there for guide the younger generation. To show them say yes. Because some dancehall artists have been misguided. Them believe say the persona where them put on a dancehall music, them should be that person. Ninja Man is different. Ninja Man was a person who became famous and put himself on the stage and create a persona. But at the same time, Ninja Man was heavily tied to the streets. Something we try over the years to try, focus more upon music and less upon the streets. But Ninja Man was who Ninja Man was. But people have said clearly Ninja Man has been reformed. And once his case is presented to the appeal court, just like we have seen with other entertainers and other celebrities, Ninja Man will again be released. Now if you agree, as I'm say, and you feel like Ninja Man should be free, then comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. The DPP is also retiring. We have always long heard it that most entertainers were prosecuted by the DPP. Not because of any bias or anything, but just that she was the lead prosecutor at that time. They're saying that in these later days, when there has been different people getting a chance to be the DPP, they have not necessarily won any appeal against any but Jamaicans would consider celebrities or people of notoriety. Because Dante is an artist. He's a producer. But his father is a famous dancehall artist. And people have long speculated that what happened to him was as a result of law enforcement trying to get his father. Seems like the court agreed. Now, Vybz Kartel also had his appeal. And he win. They must say, Ninja Man should be up for appeal soon. And people assume say him will win. But tell me what you think. Of course, I'm going to hear from Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype is back at it again. This time, she have a new song. And she has say, one a commoners and one a gun clown. Some people are say that is subliminally saying something about Vybz Kartel. Why me no know? People just assume say everything what Lisa say about Vybz Kartel. But I'm going to hear though, so you can make up your mind for yourself, and then we continue the reasoning. When you look and listen.
Nobody know these things where you come from. But some basic.
Now tell me if you feel like a cartel is type attack. Or tell me if you feel like the media just assume say a Vybz Kartel shit attack. Can artists make music in general again? I mean, this song could have go for anybody. That song could have go for anybody. It don't have to be for a person in specific. A person specifically. Rather. I can just a music with a song where anybody can sing. Something anybody can relate to. Because any regular person listening to that song can relate to it. And I say some of them women where hype, them are commoners, them are no royalty, they are nobody have notoriety, them are celebrities, they might get a lot of likes on some pictures and some rave, but what they really do, they are not entertainers. Same with some youth that claims that them are quote unquote thugs. They might be just some man that sit down pines. The man give things to, give things for keep, give things for walk with. But they are not thugs. They might commit crime. They might be criminals. But them are not the thugs. At least not the thugs where people are talking about when them big up thugs. These are just petty regular criminals. People not big up criminals in the music, unless they matter about chat the line. Otherwise, when people say big up the thugs, they big up the real youths. Youths say, hold it. Take care of them people, take care of them family, take care of them community. Not some man will mash up them community. Not some man will make police have a constantly in the community, make dance can keep and people can prosper and people can make no money. All of them people. No, don't get it confused. Artists now big up Uno. Uno where do them thing there? Never get it twisted. The songs are not about Uno. Them now big up Uno. And Uno get big up and the real man them. To help out the community, bring enough people are foreign. You see what they have a funeral for a man a runaway baby. All politicians that they are saying was a great man. Despite what the media and certain members of law enforcement might say. You know why them could have said that? Because he was one of the real man them to help out people in the community. Spending money in a runaway baby. Help people go out foreign, help people start business. Them man they're the real big man them. And them man they we call the thugs. Not the man them in a community broke people shop and no sir. Them people are the people who want law enforcement to get out of the community. Nobody in a support of them. But we don't know. Remember forward, this type forward boxer with that thing should have a more clear concept, a more focused concept. And maybe she's still vexed with teacher. We don't know. For them situation seem to be something with uncle. She and teacher know. To see the people them round her surprised when she start do her thing on the media recently. Come like them don't know why she a going so. Yeah, because Kartel himself don't know. But this thing between she and teacher, all we can do is show no wagwan, react to wagwan, but this is her life. And you see me? That song where the youth them a sing it though, it might be another big song from a female artist. You know what I mean? A hardcore female artist in a dancehall music. Which is something the music has been waiting for quite some time too. So talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just a pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper. And also for to stay tuned.